DSers streamlines dropshipping by connecting your Shopify store to AliExpress. It automates product imports, order fulfillment, and inventory management, saving you significant time and effort in your dropshipping business. As of September 2025, DSers uses AI for product mapping and integrates with multiple channels. It offers compliance features for global trade and supports over 500,000 merchants. Despite occasional API downtime, DSers remains a key tool for scaling your dropshipping business. To get started with DSers, first sign up for an account and connect your Shopify store using the API. Next, link your AliExpress account within DSers to access the product catalog. Install the DSers app in Shopify to enable real-time data synchronization. For mapping products, search AliExpress within DSers and import selected items to your Shopify store. Customize product descriptions, adjust prices with markup tools, and enable auto-sync for inventory levels. When a customer places an order on Shopify, DSers automatically forwards it to the AliExpress supplier. The supplier ships directly to the customer, and DSers provides tracking updates, keeping order status synchronized in Shopify. This automation handles the back-end processes, eliminating the need to hold inventory yourself.